Hey guys, it's Katie with JLT Performance, and today we're going to install the cold air intake for the 2015 to 2020 F150 Raptor 3.5 and 2.7 liter Ecoboost. Disconnect the IAT sensor. Loosen these two hose clamps. Release the two latches securing the top part of the air box, and then you can remove from the vehicle. Remove the stock filter from the vehicle. We're going to clean the top of the stock airbox off so the adhesive on this gasket sticks better. Slide the JLT heat shield into the stock airbox, and then it just clips right on. Now you need to transfer the IAT sensor from the stock intake tube to the JLT intake tube, and you'll just twist and pull out. If you have a 2.7 liter or a 15 to 16 3.5, you'll install in this area closest to the filter, and for all others, you'll install at the front. Use the supplied plug to close whatever hole you don't use. Install the filter onto the JLT intake tube. If you have a 2.7 or a 15 to 16 3.5, you'll install the angled coupler, and for everything else, you'll use the straight. Now you can install the assembly into the vehicle. Once you have everything fully in place, you can tighten down all the hose clamps. Using the provided alcohol wipe, you're just going to wipe down the tube. And then add the adhesive to the foam. And then install it on the tube. Next, you're going to install the CCV tube insert, and you're going to want to make sure that the slash side is facing towards the turbo. Reconnect the IAT sensor. All right guys, so that's it. It is a super easy install, but if you have any questions or you just want to know more, you can always give us a call or chat us in on our website, and I'll see you next time.